Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So it's been long since I actually posted. If you are looking at me for the very first time, I am Mr. Money, and what I do on this channel, I post updates on how to make money online. It's been long since I actually posted on my channel. Actually, this first video I'm actually making for this year 2026, and this is actually one of the amazing updates I have actually found. I have been using this update since early January, and I have made over 56 US dollar and still counting more. Okay, so this update I actually found is actually on Discord. You can see right here I have made over. Okay, these are actually the updates here. So you can see right here, let me go over to my withdrawal. Let me go over to my chat box and go over to my withdrawal. Not this. Okay, as you can see right here, these are actually my withdrawal. And I have withdrawn $20. You can see these are my withdrawal slips sent to me 19. Okay, if you scroll up, you see I've withdrawn over 12. Okay, and I've withdrawn over 5. Okay, altogether that are over 50 plus USD dollar. And I started within the middle January. I said I have made this up in just 4 weeks. I have made this in just 4 weeks. When I came across the first update, I first came across that first time, learned how to do it, and that's how I started on it, started on this platform. So this platform is very, very easy. It's not unlike other platforms whereby they do pay you for you completing tasks. This is actually easy, as you can see right here. So they do what they do in this platform. You don't really treat complete tasks. They pay you to talk. So as you can see, these are people's voice channel right here. These people they are actually on conversation right now. These are voice channel of people that are actually on conversation right here. So what they do on this channel is that they pay you. These are different voice channel. This is actually someone's voice channel. This is someone's voice channel. What are voice channel? They are conversation calls. So unlike WhatsApp, when we do call them calls on this call, we don't call when you are calling someone. It is not called a call. It's called a voice channel. You open a voice channel where you can discuss with your loved ones, friends, and family, and you actually get paid to do that. Very easy, no stress. Although their payment system is really good and very easy to navigate. Their payment is about $1 per hour. For each conversation you hold up to an hour, you will get paid of $1. Trust me, their payment is good and legit. This stuff have been paying since it came out within early December, and it has been paying ever since then. They've literally been not complaining about it. They've literally been no complaint about it, except from during early January when they had issue with their boot. But although it is back and active and it is actually truly paying, trust me, I have actually witnessed from it. I have made a couple of withdrawal from it, and see these are actually some people's voice channel. So let me just go ahead and join someone's voice channel, and you can see what and how it is. Okay, join voice channel. Okay, I think this is actually restricted for me. Okay, this is locked. Okay, let's look for a voice channel to join. Okay, join. Wow, this is locked. Seriously, all feed up. Okay, let's see this. Okay, this wasn't locked actually. So as you can see, this is actually how it is of work. Hello, hello guys. Okay, I think I have to mute them. That way you can be able to hear what I'm saying. No, no, not you, not you, not you, not you. Sorry. Okay. As you can see, I have muted them, so they can't really hear me, and I can't really hear them. So that's just how it is. You can see they are all in this call, and they're actually on the conversation. So I think I'll just end it right here. And as for that, so this platform is very, very easy to navigate. So although I won't be dropping much details on this because I don't want you to I don't want to go against any YouTube what's the name regulation. So and I don't want my video to go down, so I'll just be leaving it here. So although let me just show you guys my balance and how this stuff work. Okay, although I've explained how it work, let me just show you my balance. Okay, so this is actually my payout right here. This is actually my payout right here. As you can see, my recent payout was $20. I received it this morning. My payout, like I said, this payment is weekly basis. You receive your payment on weekly basis. Yeah, as you can see right here, I have end over. Look at it right here. I have end over. I have end over 57. Then I have withdrawn plus my referrals here. I have withdrawn over 58.50 USD dollar just from the day I started. And I actually have a balance of 13.21 balance 20.21 where I can recently I can easily request a cash out. But actually I actually have not reached my goal, so that's why I just don't want to request a cash out right here. But that's how that's everything about this update. So if you're interested in joining, I'll be leaving the link down below, and I'll be providing you more detailed video on how to go, how to get signed up, not just joining the Discord, how to get signed up on this platform. I'll be providing all those videos in my WhatsApp community. So when you join the WhatsApp community, just send a message to the admin telling him you want to get started on this stuff. You'll be put through, very very easy to navigate and very very easy to go over. So happy cash out guys. For those of you who have been doing this update and you yeah, those of you who have been doing this update and have withdrawn from it, congratulations to you guys. You guys are just watching this video, congratulations to you guys. This stuff is actually still paying. It's not too late to start. You can earn over $20 a week. And like I said, it does not have a minimum payout. It does not have a maximum payout per day. So if you literally want to just stop for 24 hours, you get paid $24 for 24 hours of discussion. That's just it. If you want to earn talk for 10 hours, you get paid for, and that, like I said earlier, the payments are weekly. So once you place a withdrawal, your payment takes about five days before your payment drops. That's why I say your payments are weekly. So you place a withdrawal today, 5 days from today, which is actually next week, your payment drops. Place an now withdraw 5 days, and that's just how this platform works. So thank you guys for watching this video. So if you are interested in joining this platform, like I said earlier, I'll be leaving the link down below. I'll leave a link down below this video in the comment section. Yeah, in the comment section, also in the comment section. I'll just be leaving it in the description too. So just choose one, join, send a message to the admin that you want to get started on this stuff, and you'll be put through. I think that's all. Thank you.